Hello and welcome to another DSPB video. In this episode I'm showing you why I love Fuji APS-C so much and why I don't care about full frame anymore since quite a long time ago now. First of all, here is why I chose that title with Sony in it. The reason is that Sony users seem to be constantly pissed off when someone says that you can also get great images with a Fuji camera. And oh my god, how can you even dare to compare Fuji lenses with the equivalent Sony Fullframe lenses and such a small, noisy and unworthy APS-C sensor with the big royal Sony Fullframe sensor? You can bet that someone will write a hate comment in the comments of my videos, or will at least try to convince me to his Sony gear, which he spent a shit ton of money for. But we get to that later in this video when we will fill a shopping cart with a Sony and a Fuji kit. But first enjoy these fresh animal shots which I've taken in the zoo, handheld with the Fujinon 50 to 142.8. The reason why I bought this lens is not because it's a bokeh machine. For that you can get f1.2 or even f1.1 lenses for Fuji. Reviews for that are also on this channel. Saying that, the bokeh depends on a lot of things, especially if you shoot through fences like in a zoo. The bokeh will look more busy of course, and it heavily depends on how far away your background is. But this lens has a lot more to offer. It is so versatile and the optical quality of it is simply excellent. Coupled with the X-T2 and also OES in the lens works just great. So you will get excellent results with this combo as long as you don't hold it like a schnitzel.
Schnitzel, you know what is the name? Schnitzel, you know what is the name? Schnitzel.
You already know that I love the 16mm 1.4, which is nearly perfect, and also the very affordable and very good 18-55 kit lens. Again, two very big reasons to love Fuji. So now let's go shopping and fill an Amazon shopping cart with a Sony kit with two of Sony's best lenses, the G-Masters. The Sony which I would pick would be the A7 III, which costs $2,000. Now the lenses, but what? $2,200 for a 24-70 zoom lens? Really? Yes, that's Sony, and if that wasn't expensive enough, now let's buy the 70-200 2.8 G-Master. Oh, that's only $2,600 for a lens. I don't care. If my fridge is empty, I will have a ton of bokeh, That bokeh tastes so good, I don't need any food, and hey, I can sell my car too. But how much is that in total? $6,400.
What? What the fuck?
Oh, let's look at. Would you look at this?
Oh.
Look at how the money looks like it's burning.
Oh, sure enough.
That's a shocker. But now let's see how much a Fuji kit costs. Since the release of the Fuji X-H1, you can get the X-T2 for already $1,100, so it's definitely a bargain now. If you look at all the features it has, and you save nearly $1,000, already comparing the body price. Why I'm picking the X-T2 and not the X-H1 for this epic shopping comparison? Simply because I own the X-T2 and not the X-H1, and I don't really care about IBIS. Now let's see the price of the Fujifilm 16-55 2.8. It's $1,200. Again, $1,000 less than the Sony EQUIF. And yes, it's the EQUIF focal length everyone compares. So please save your comment for someone else's video about that. And now let's look at the price for the Fujifilm telezoom lens. It's $1,600 and again $1,000 less for that excellent lens. So in total the Fuji kit only costs you $3,897 and the Sony kit $6,400. For that you get IBIS and a bit more bokeh. Is it worth to you spending $6,400 for that kit? I'm sure you will let me know in the comment section below, plus some of the worst hate comments, but I promise I will read every one of them. The truth is, I couldn't care less what you buy. You will not find any affiliate links anymore in my videos and blog since quite a long time now. And you will always get my unfiltered opinion on this channel. I really don't give a shit about Sony Fullframe or even the newly announced Nikon Fullframe, because I have excellent quality with my affordable Fuji APS-C gear, which can easily compete with Fullframe, and since the X-T2 has no AA filter in it, it can even top the detail quality of cameras which have the AA filter. For me that's much more important than maybe a little bit more bokeh and IBIS, and of course that I can save money for even more important things in life.